Not to be dramatic, but this is the summer travel essentials video that you must watch. I don't think I've been more excited to share an Amazon haul in a very long time. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I have to say I am so excited for this video because I recently got some amazing items from Amazon that are absolutely worth it. Now, I have some trending or new finds that honestly, they are going to look great on your next cruise or vacation, as well as some truly practical but genius finds. And by the way, I have items for women, for men, and whether you're going to the Mediterranean, Caribbean, or even an Alaska cruise. Now, before I get started, I wanted to mention two things. Firstly, all of the items that I'm sharing in today's video, I will have the links down below in the description, as well as in a pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Water shoes. If you were going on a Mediterranean cruise, something that you should know is that many of the beaches have little pebbles or little rocks. You cannot even try to go in with your bare feet. So you definitely want to have a pair of water shoes. Now, what I really like about these, and they are new, is look at that really good sole. So if you do have, even on a Caribbean cruise, the private islands also, sometimes they're a little teeny rocks, not that comfortable, or different excursions. So this is going to protect your foot, but at the same time, this is so nice and flat, easy to pack, and these are genuinely very comfortable. Now, personally, I really like the neutral color of these, but they're available in other styles as well. This super smart water bottle does more than you think. Now, if you look at this and you think it's just a water bottle, no, it is not, because look over here what you have. Now, I have that I just put in there, but you've got a little secret compartment. So if you're wondering, where can I put a little bit of money, even if you're, going around to the park or something at home, this could be very convenient. And by the way, you can really put water in here. It goes till about here. So you still get all of that room for water, but you can put, your cruise card, a credit card, money, jewelry, anything like that. And in the package, this little thing came with, and I don't know if I'll actually use it, but I guess this is pretty smart too, because if you did have jewelry or something, you could actually put that in as well. Now, I have to show you something that I am so excited about. Now, I've heard other people mentioning this before, including many viewers. So if you've mentioned it, thank you. I finally got it. So this is a little label maker, but the cool thing about this label maker is that you actually just download an app and you connect it by Bluetooth to your phone. And then what you can do is, there's all sorts of designs. You could really play around with it and use it around the house. But the way that I am using it is with my little pill organizers. Now, this is my larger size. So, and by the way, I'll leave the link for the label maker, but I will show you also the little pill box. This is the larger size. I have two sizes, small and the large. So this is for your extra medication if you want. And the other smaller one is the one that I usually keep in my purse. In any case, what I did is I started to label. So, Advil, Tylenol, etc., Tums, all of that can be done. And of course, you could use the label maker for other things as well. Now, I did want to share with you, this is how the label maker charges. So it does come with this cord with a USB. So I just want to show you, I got this new charger. I love the color. And by the way, the charger has 4 built-in cables. This is probably one of my favorite types of chargers because of the practicality for all of the different items you have. Like, for instance, I have an iPad and it's, a past generation. So I need different types of chargers. So this really does everything. And what I'm able to do is use my charger to charge my label maker, and of course, other items too. Now, I do have a couple of fashion items in this video, or clothing items, let's just say, for women and for men. So I will start off showing you this new tank top or little sleeveless top that I got. I love this. It actually looks much more elevated than a regular tank top. I didn't know what the material would be like when I did purchase it online, but I love the material. It has a slight little ribbing and it's a little bit of a knit, and I love this little scalloped collar and the edging. And I like it so much that I'm actually going to purchase it in white. And I think it's absolutely wonderful, you know, to pair with a pair of shorts, linen pants, a pair of jeans, or even to wear at home. A travel umbrella. Now, how cute is this? Now, I have to say, I have another umbrella. Let me show it to you. I really like this one. It is excellent, but look at the difference in the size. So if you just need a little umbrella, you're going maybe to Norway, or just even for traveling, you know, around even for a weekend trip. I love this. It is a great little size, but I especially like the fact that you do have the case. So, you know, shake it off, wrap it up, and then if you want to, you could even throw it in your handbag or tote bag. Okay, I have to share with you one of my favorite items that I bought recently. It's this little initial hair clip. Now, initials in general, they're really trending. Initial necklaces, initials monogrammed on handbags, etc. And so are initial hair clips. Now, what I did is I bought this one for myself. I always like to have a hair clip when I'm traveling, because if I'm going to go into the swimming pool, I'm definitely going to be putting my hair up. But I also thought that they made really good gifts. So I actually bought one for my sister-in-law, my niece, both of my sons, each of their girlfriends. I thought they were super cute. Now, I'm going to leave a link down below, but obviously you have to look for your own initial instead. Speaking of trends, I love this practical mini Longchamp inspired bag. Now you can see it really is miniature, but it's actually quite roomy. It might be even a little bit surprising how much space you have in here. So this is a great bag that you can wear around the cruise ship, that you can wear when you're traveling. And the nice thing about this one on Amazon is it actually does come with a strap. So you could wear it over you crossbody. And just to let you know, another one of the trends right now with this handbag in particular, like the mini, but you could do it with other handbags as well, is to actually take a scarf, attach the scarf over here, and you can actually wear the scarf instead of the strap. So let me know if you like that idea. Now, while I'm at it, I will share with you a couple of newer bags that I've gotten that I think are great for cruises. So I have this little handbag. This is nice even for the evening. So a lot of straw bags just don't suit evening wear, but I find this one really does. It comes with a little gold chain if you want. I've doubled this up so you can make it double or single, very versatile. And you can also just put it right in there so you can hold it like a clutch as well. And honestly, this is great for the daytime too. A straw tote bag. Now, this is one of my favorites, and I've shared it before because I've worn it on recent cruises. But one of the things that I really like about it is the fact that it does have a drawstring sort of built-in bag inside here. So it's really good. If you're traveling somewhere and you're like me, you don't want to have an open tote bag, but so many of these beach style bags, these straw tote bags are open, you are going to like this. And one of the things that I've done to sort of change up the look and make it feel a little bit more fashionable is to actually just tie up a scarf. This is like one of my favorites, but you can get different colors to even, you know, go with different outfits or just suit your personal style. Now, I don't want to make the men feel bad, so I have a couple of items that Frank, my husband, and Ethan, my son, just got in. So this is Frank's new sweatshirt, super comfortable fleece. He actually got this for our Alaska trip, as you can imagine. But if you're going to Alaska, if you are doing Canada, New England, the Columbia brand is really a very good brand. I have my own puffer jacket for Alaska and I wear it here. I live in Canada. I wear it here. Columbia is a good brand. So, and Frank already has this same sweatshirt, you know, this little sort of half zip. He already has it in a couple of other colors, but he got it in this blue, which is nice. And Ethan got this one. I love the look of this, and this opens up. So if you like, instead of the quarter zip, if you like a full zip, this one is a full zip. And I love the combination of this gray and this tan. Isn't it nice? Anyway, I will link both below. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention early on in this video that I'm going to share with you one item that I did buy that's kind of trending, but personally, I don't really like it and think it's that practical, so I'll share it with you. You tell me what you think. But first, very practical. If you are traveling, if you're going abroad, you definitely want to have a travel adapter. This is a must. Now, one of the things that I like about this one, and it is Epica, but it is that you have all of the different types of plugs that you might need. So, you know, everything from if you're going to Europe, if you're going to Asia, this is like the only travel adapter that you would ever need to buy. And you also have like your USB-Cs and your USB-As. Now, by the way, if you're going on a cruise and you are looking for a way to stay organized and make sure that you do not forget a thing, I do have the LifeWell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner. Now, the LifeWell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner is a 47-page downloadable printable planner that will help you to stay organized with cruise packing lists, shore excursion planning forms, budget planning forms, and more. And the best thing is, because it's downloadable and printable, you can print out only the pages that you want for as many cruises as you go on. Now, I'll leave all of the information for the LifeWell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner linked down below in the description of this video, as well as a pinned comment. A cashmere style wrap. Now, I just bought this. It is so comfortable and soft, and you could just drape it, you know, drape it around. You could wear it to the dining room at night. You could wear it in the plane, which is actually something I think that I am going to do. And wraps and scarves are really on trend this year. And this is just great for daytime out on the balcony, or, you know, even in the evening time in the main dining room. And of course, it does come in different colors. So I am going to show you. I also purchased the red. So you can see the little style of this. Very, very soft. So I do like the red, but now that I got it, I have to say, I just don't think I have things to match with it. So I'm going to think about it, but this may go back and I might just choose another color. Obviously, it is available in a lot of different colors, so I'll leave the link down below. Now, something else that I picked up is this case for my sunglasses. Now, sometimes sunglasses, you know, when you buy them, especially the designer sunglasses, sometimes they're coming with, you know, really nice cases, but they're big and they're bulky, or they're just coming with that nice little bag, but you don't want your sunglasses to kind of get crushed and get ruined. So this is a really good size and still nice and solid. Okay, let's talk airplanes and airplane pillows. I was recently asked about this. I showed, I guess, a little clip of myself, and I happened to be sleeping on the airplane, and I had this sleep mask that's also a combination of like a headrest or a travel pillow. This is really cool, and genuinely for me, this is the most comfortable. So what you do is you put this right onto the headrest itself, and then this sort of cups or holds your head. And then this sleep mask, which you can tell is a very good quality, your eyes sort of fit inside, so you're not like having, if you are wearing makeup, that's not all pressed or anything like that. It's comfortable. That's what I am trying to say. Very comfortable. So this just attaches, and for me, this is a really great solution to actually sleep and rest while you're on a long flight. So speaking of travel pillows, the next alternative that I find very comfortable, if you are somebody who likes a more traditional pillow that goes around your neck, is this one. I always think of it as like a snake, or maybe they call it a memory foam or something. But in any case, it's very bendable. So you could wear it right around your neck if you want, but you could also sort of twist it. If you're against, you know, the window, you can prop it against the window. It just leaves a lot of different ways that you can actually rest your head. Okay, let me show you the item that is just not working for me. I don't think it's personally worth it, but you can tell me what you think. And then I have about 3 or 4 more items. So this is like a drink cup holder, and what you would do is you would attach this to your lounge chair if you're on a cruise or you're on a beach, etc. So I just find it's a little bit bulky. I don't know. And would every cup or glass fit? I'm just really not sure. I know it really is a trending item on Amazon right now. A lot of people are liking this, but I feel like I'd have to pack at least 2. I feel like it takes up a lot of room, and I don't know that I'd actually use it, but let me know, please, what you think. Am I missing something? Please let me know down in the comments below. Okay, fans. You're going away in the summertime, and if you're going away anywhere hot, you are going to want to have a fan. So I want to show you one of the easiest, simplest fans that is nice and small. This fan, you can see how tiny this is. Like, you could really just put it right into your backpack, or, you know, even into your pocket for that matter. Battery powered, and it works really well. That's the lowest setting, so it does, you know, work even faster than that if you want it. The other one, I love this because I actually think that this is the coldest one. So if coolness is your priority, there is this one. This is a cooler style fan. So when you turn it on, when you turn it on, it takes just a few, I want you to hear me, it takes just a few seconds to like really cool off, and it's like sticking your face in front of a refrigerator, but it's blowing. So really a very good one. The other thing is for your cabin. If you're somebody who's bothered by a lack of circulation in the cabin, especially in the evening time, personally that bothers me a little bit, bothers Frank a little bit. So you will want to bring a fan that you could use in your cruise ship cabin. Now there are different ones. One of them is a very thin flat fan. I still swear by that one. That one, in my opinion, works really well. Doesn't take up a lot of room, is not heavy. But if you want something that goes right on your wall, very cool, because it has got magnets attached and it still is pretty flat. So I think that this is a great alternative. And if you want, this also can be left flat right on the desk as well. You've got this that kind of props it up. There you go. And it really does work well. Now, for anybody who is looking for new dresses, I just got this very pretty dress. I haven't yet worn it on a cruise or when traveling, and honestly, it's been too cool where I live to wear it yet, but I absolutely love it. And I love the ruffles at the bottom. I find it very pretty for day or evening. Hanging toiletry bag. Now, I have a few hanging toiletry bags, but I did want to share something about this one that you might not know. So this is by the brand BagSmart. Now, when I first got my BagSmart toiletry bags, the hanging ones, about 4 years ago probably, the material themselves, well, it was a little bit different, like a quilted material. It doesn't make it bad. But this one, what I like is the material is almost like a type of nylon, almost like a waterproof style. So I like that. Very easy to keep clean. Much easier, I would say, even to kind of keep always looking good. Now this one, I kind of keep sometimes certain items, you know, just in until the next time. So I still have to repack this. You can see this is a little bit of our first aid stuff, just in case. But you can see also in terms of the size, while this is a size medium, if I'm not mistaken, it actually can fit full-size items if you want. Towel bands. Now, I've mentioned these towel bands in a recent video, but I know not everybody has heard of them yet. So I did want to make sure that I did mention these, because these are a thinner one than ones that I used to recommend in the past. And I actually think that these are much easier to sort of pull if that has ever been your issue with the other towel bands. So I think you'll like them. And, you know, definitely when you're on a cruise in particular, the pool deck really gets breezy, especially on sea days. So you want to have something, whether it's a towel clip or a towel band, you do want to have something to keep those towels down. And of course, these are great for the beach too. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will leave all of the links down below, like I mentioned, but I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know, what were some of your favorite items? And if you have an item that I've never talked about and that I really should, please let me know as well so that I can try that. Now, if you did enjoy the video, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.